Good day everyone. I am Suma Sridhar, a dedicated realtor helping buyers and sellers in the SF area. And I am here to bring you the latest market update for San Mateo County, California. Whether you are a buyer or seller, this information will keep you informed and engaged in our ever-changing real estate landscape. Let us dive in right. As of October 2023, we currently have a total of 1.98 months supply of inventory. Now, what does this mean? It indicates the number of months it would take to sell all existing homes on the market if no new listings were added. This figure helps us to gauge the level of competition in the market. Looking at the trend over the last 12 months, we have seen a positive change with a 7.03% increase in the month's supply of inventory. This suggests a slight easing of competition, giving both buyers and sellers some breathing room. Now, let us talk about the list to sold price percentage. Currently, we are seeing a healthy 102.8% list to sold price ratio. This means that on average, sellers are receiving slightly above their asking price. It's a great time for sellers to maximize their returns. When it comes to the speed of transactions, San Mateo County is impressing us all. The median days on the market is just 13 days. Yes, you heard that right. Homes are selling quickly, indicating a high demand for properties in our beautiful county. And finally, let us discuss the median sold price. As of October 2023, the median sold price is $1,645,000. This figure represents the middle price point of all homes sold, demonstrating the overall market value in San Mateo County. In conclusion, San Mateo County's real estate market continues to show strength and resilience. With a healthy list to sold price percentage, low median days on the market, and a positive trend in supply, buyers and sellers can find opportunities in this dynamic market. Whether you are considering buying or selling, now may be the perfect time to take advantage of the favorable conditions in our area. As always, I am here to guide you through the process and help you to achieve your real estate goals. Thank you for joining me today. If you have any questions or would like to discuss your specific real estate needs, feel free to reach out to me at SVK Real Estate and Associates. Once again, I am Suma Sridhar, the real estate broker with the tradition of excellence and integrity. I love what I do and people love what I do. Until next time, take care and stay informed. Have a wonderful day.